Hi, we're here to talk about cervical traction using your traction pillow. This is a very important part of your care. The reason is most of you have come in here because you have what we call reversed cervical curve. Cervical means neck.
Reverse anything does not sound good.
No,
Okay,
no.
cervical curve.
Right there. So this is what you want. You want a curve from the side because what this does is creates a springboard or cushion. The arch is the strongest structure in nature, and we're provided this, but vertically, like this. And this provides your head a very strong support system to hold your head up and have beautiful posture.
So this is George, and George is looking that way. So you're looking at like George's ear right here.
Mm-hmm.
And this curve is called the arc of life for a very good reason. And that it supports your spinal cord, which is cushioned inside of there. And when you have this full curve, like Dr. Taylor was saying, you have a springboard, you have a spring that absorbs forces and allows your nerves to stay just nice and healthy and happy inside there. However, reverse cervical curve, can you all imagine what that looks like? It actually looks like here's straightened, and here is reversed. And the amount of stretch that goes onto the spinal cord is crazy. It begins to affect the entire body because the nerves are carrying information from your brain to your body on how your body should function, and nerves that are stretched and irritated do not function properly.
No.
So instead of getting a clear message, say to your stomach stomach hears
Exactly. That delicate tissue, the spinal cord, is actually stretched sometimes up to twice its length, that very delicate conductive tissue.
Which is not, it's not happy about that.
Yep.
Okay, so what we want to talk about today as far as a tip, a trick. So you're already a patient in a chiropractic office. We love it if you're a patient at HealthWorks. If you're a patient somewhere else and you don't have this, please ask your chiropractor for it, because it's one of the best exercises that you can do at home to help strengthen that curve and alleviate nerve distress and even pain in the body.
You know, and this is, I think, one of the easiest exercises that we recommend because all you're doing is lying there.
You can take a load off and actually get something
done. Exactly.
All right. So this guy's got a straightened curve here, and we want to correct that. So we're going to work with a home exercise of the traction pillow. So he's going to lay on his back, and as he lays there, all the tendons and ligaments and muscles are relaxing and allowing this area to begin to regain its curve.
So with this particular pillow, you want this side right here, the flat side, to be towards your shoulders, nice snug up against your shoulders. You know, depending on each patient, the majority of the time it's nice and snug, but sometimes with patients we have to kind of move it around a bit just because there's different issues that are occurring in the spine.
So for safety reasons, you want to make sure that you're trained on this in your chiropractor's office. So we train our patients 3 times to make sure that everything is A-okay and you're not going to be stressing out your neck or your blood vessels. And once you've got the thumbs up to take this home, it is one of the most powerful exercises that you can possibly do. You're going to do it for 15 minutes every single day. And my preference is to do it in the morning as I'm waking up. That way I can snooze for a little bit and I'm actually getting some of my exercises done while I'm laying in bed.
And mine is at night because I like to de-stress at the end of the day, and that's the time that I really prefer to do it, just before I fall asleep, and it helps relax me so well into a deep sleep.
The only thing that I don't recommend is that you don't try and do it during the middle of the day, because you're much less likely to actually be successful if you are trying to lay down when you're already going for the day. So
you don't want to fit it in.
You don't want to try and fit it in because it's one of those things that can go to the side.
Yes.
So do the home traction and it will serve you many, many times over.